Gary and Pam love their brand new conservatory. It's the space they've always wanted, their favourite room in the entire house.
One of the things that strikes me about it is that it isn't like going into a conservatory anymore. It's like going into another room. It's a much more solid feeling and there's a better ambience.
From my point of view, it brings the garden inside so you can see and enjoy all your garden and all my little fairy lights when they're lit up. It's really nice.
But until recently, none of this was possible. Just a few months ago, their conservatory was a no-go zone. Too cold in winter and too warm in the summer, it was often uncomfortable to be in. Then they discovered the Ultraroof 380.
During some home improvements, we found that we could have solid replacement roofs, and a bit of searching on the internet led us to Ultraframe, and we left our details with them.
An installer contacted us and arranged to come out and see us. It just seemed such a good idea that we just went for it.
Without hesitating, they placed their order, and work soon began.
For many years, old conservatories have polycarbonate glazed roofs and glass glazed roofs. This is a lightweight tile version, much more thermally efficient product. It becomes a much more usable living space, just right all year round.
The Ultraroof 380 is a pioneering concept that's engineered by Ultraframe, who've been manufacturing conservatories for over 30 years. In no time at all, the old conservatory roof is removed, but remarkably, the Ultraroof will be in place almost as quickly. It takes just 1 day, meaning this space will be usable at the end of the same day.
From an installer point of view, it's a lightweight system. The panels are only 600mm wide. This makes it easier for the installer to install. It's an ideal product for replacing conservatory roofs and also on traditional extensions.
The Ultraroof 380 helps to control the temperature of the conservatory all year round, making it a usable and practical space at any time. The panel nature of the build means there are numerous finishing options, from tiles to solar-controlled glass panels, which is more cost-effective than roof windows.
We're really excited about the launch of this new product, Ultraroof 380. It's going to give the consumer something totally different as an option from glazing. A lot of consumers have had conservatories built for 25, 30 years and they've got very old style roofs. And the Ultraroof 380 is a lightweight tiled version and it gives people a much better space to live in.
Later the same day, the Ultraroof 380 is fully in place and ready for the final finishing touches. Tiles come in a range of slate finishes and can be matched with a range of coloured gutters to suit every taste. Inside, the glass panels allow light to flood the space. Here you can also choose from a range of downlighting and even integrated sound systems.
We absolutely love our new conservatory. We can use it all year round. It's not cold, it's not too hot. We're even fighting over who sits in there and whose room it is. We absolutely love it.
The Ultraroof 380 has transformed how Gary and Pam will use this space and given them back their favourite room in the entire house, whatever the weather.
Anybody that's got an existing conservatory with a polycarbonate roof on it, probably just like us, they won't have used it many times in a year, and this makes it a 365-day-a-year item.